welcome back. I'm Jill with the Carefree Kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy Thai chicken stir fry. This recipe only has a few ingredients and it'll only take you 20 to 30 minutes to make. And bonus, it's even better than takeout. Okay, to get started, I'm going to show you my ingredients. So I have 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I pre-measured that. I have a tablespoon of garlic. And this is some chicken that I found in the meat department at my grocery store, and it was already pre-cut. So bonus, I didn't even have to cut that. And then I have a red pepper, 1 full bell pepper, red pepper, and I washed it and then chopped it up loosely. I don't know, it's probably 1/2-inch chunks by a couple inch. And then a red onion. I have some soy sauce. You can just use your favorite kind there. A little bit of brown sugar, and then I roughly chopped some of this basil. So this is the secret ingredient that gives it that yummy Thai flavor. All right, so you can use a cast iron skillet for this, or I don't have a wok, so I'm just using a saute pan, but a wok would work great for this. So I have this on medium-high heat right now. It's pretty warm, and I'm just going to add my avocado oil and my onions and peppers. And I'm just going to saute that up for a couple minutes to give it a jump start on the chicken. Okay, now I'm just going to add in my chunked up chicken and the garlic. And as you are stirring this up, if you see some bigger chunks of chicken, you can just cut that up a little bit with your spatula. Looks great, and this is almost ready for the sauce. Okay, my chicken is all done. Now I'm going to add my brown sugar and my soy sauce. And then we're just going to combine this, and it'll make a really yummy sweet sauce that will coat the chicken. So I'm going to stir it, and the sugar will dissolve, and then it will coat the chicken really nicely. Just give that about a minute, not very long at all. And then I have my basil here, and I've just chopped it up into about 1/2-inch chunks, and I'm just going to add that to my chicken stir fry. And this smells so incredible. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my version of this easy Thai chicken basil stir fry. It's so easy to put together, and it's honestly easier than even running and grabbing your favorite takeouts. My family loves eating this on rice or on a bed of noodles. This is so easy to make, and the good news is it only takes a few ingredients. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check me out on social media and check out my other videos at thecarefreekitchen.com, and I'll see you next time. Thanks! Here is my version of this easy Thai basil chicken stir fry. It only takes a few ingredients, and you can make it in 30 minutes or less. Your family's going to love this easy stir fry meal. Thanks for watching.